What is good, YouTube? We are back with another video, guys. As you guys can see, all hell is fucking pouring loose over here in fucking Miami, Florida. Dude, if you guys been wondering why I haven't posted, it's because of this. It's been raining non-stop, thunderstorm warning. There's literally a thunderstorm warning on the maps right now. It's all some crazy shit going on, bro. But yeah, bro, it's been fucking bad out here, guys. I haven't been able to get some like decent content just because of this bullshit every fucking day. But I mean, I was like, yo, you know what? Fuck it. Like, I gotta go bust an errand. Like, I might as well take you guys with me and get some ASMR on the rain. Dale. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, yo, you know what? It's raining. Fuck it. Let's just make the video. Like, it's just been bad, man. This month of September. This month of September is gonna be terrible right now, and it's been bad the whole time. Now, I swear to God, I kid you not, guys, it's dead ass been raining for the past week or two, or maybe even 3 every day. Like, not even kidding. I think yesterday was the only day it didn't rain. But yeah, I haven't done like a little day video in a while, so like I might as well post a little day slash rain video at the same time. I think it may stop later on, but yeah, it's been bad every day, man. The other day I was in the highway and I literally got swarmed, bro. The other day I was on the highway, it was pouring so bad, even on the fastest setting on the windshield wipers, I still could barely even see anything. It was like a dead ass, it felt like a hurricane was passing by for real. You know, finally we're moving up, man. Look at this though, man. This is crazy. Puddles are forming. The puddles on the side of the road are forming. Look at this. Oh my God, bro. Yo, this shit's crazy, guys. I swear, this is the only month that the rain actually gets this bad. I swear, as soon as October hits, we're gonna be way more chill. I'm surprised. I'm just happy a hurricane didn't have to come by. Like, I'm just glad a hurricane ain't coming through this motherfucker for real. I would hope not, you know? Especially it being September, this is where, like, this is hurricane season still, so shit's going crazy. Yeah, today is my off day, so I am recording this video on a Tuesday. Last week I was gonna record a video. I didn't get to because of this fucking rain, and you know, the guys didn't want to come outside and shit, so here I am now. Saturday, I'm gonna be doing Tuesdays and Saturdays where I film content, and then the next day is where it'll be edited, downloaded. Well, I'm downloading it, you know, I download everything and then I'll upload it the next day. But yeah, I'm really gonna try to upload for you guys 2 times a week at least, just so I could, you know, get something going on, especially because I barely even be posting like that. So whenever I have the chance, they're already beeping at each other like a motherfucker, bro. This shit's funny as hell. Qué locura, nigga. Super mom. I'm dead, nigga. Yeah, the race has been bad, man. Shit's crazy, bro. I swear, I want to get some donut videos for you guys, but I don't even know where to go for. I could probably hit the warehouses. But like, I don't even know if I should or not. I'm a little bit of scary Larry. I don't know. I don't want to get in trouble. Yeah, we're gonna take a little cruise. We're gonna bust an errand right now. So I'm gonna get some content for you guys on the way over there and way back. I would want to step on it a little bit, but it's raining heavy. Not heavy, but like it's pouring down a little bit, so I don't even want to hit that shit. Yeah, I'm already it's already fucking spinning with just traction on, bro. Imagine. Here it's stopping a little bit here. It looks. Go ahead, bus driver. Don't worry, guys. We're going the speed limit. Anyways, bros. Put some comments down on what you guys want to see, man. If you guys want to see some, like, I don't know, drifting videos maybe, or like, oh my god, look at this guy about to fucking Hialeah police about to fucking murder me, dude. It's fucking raining like shit. Can't even hit it for real. And why is there so much shit on the street, dude? What the fuck? I hope you guys are enjoying this rain ASMR with the with the B58 audio in the back. I swear, dude, if I get a freaking, all I need is an exhaust mic and an intake mic, so you guys could really hear this car, dog. Shit sounds really good, man. It's insane how good this inline 6 really sounds. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna be biased or anything, but B58 for sure is the best sounding BMW there is, besides the E90 V8 and that new M5 V8, bro. Other than that, maybe the M55, but S58 sounds like shit. S55 sounds like shit, in my opinion. Like, with the right exhaust, it'll sound like pretty decent, but I still would never say it sounds better than this, bro. It doesn't. It really doesn't. People just cope. I don't know, people just cope, and you know, because they have that specific car and they say it sounds better just because they have that specific car. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like, you know, and like, even like, bro, like, even if I had an M3 competition right now, or M4 or M2, right, and they have an S58, I would still have the S58, but if I had the same sound, it would be a lot better, you know, in terms of like, yo, like, that shit's mad raspy, bro. I have this car doesn't even have an exhaust. This car doesn't even have an actual custom catback. This car doesn't even have a catback, and it still sounds good with a straight pipe and just a down pipe. Right now we have a Vargas turbo, intake, down pipe, custom E32. That's all the car has. It's probably making like 570, 580. We do need to change the heat management module. That is one thing that's causing an issue in a code. So I can't really go past like I could do a third, fourth gear pull, like you know, like I could really hit it on third or fourth, but after it's gonna throw up a drivetrain malfunction. It's gonna cut boost for a couple seconds. It'll come back, you know, yada yada. But you know, it's been happening for a while. I've had that problem for a while, honestly. I just haven't had it fixed, especially because I don't want to take it to a shop and them overcharge me. I want to do it with one of my guys, but it's gonna be a lengthy process. And honestly, I haven't raced the car. I haven't really pushed it like that. I just been driving it regularly, to be honest. Like, I'll do a pull here and there, but realistically, like driving around the city like this, it'll never pop up unless I'm hitting fucking 80, 90 miles an hour on the street. Like, you know, then I'll throw it up. But like, I'm not doing that shit. So I'm really just like going on the top of third max, like max top of third, and like, you know, if I'm really hitting that shit. If not, I'm just cruising. But yeah, as you guys can see, this rain is not gonna stop, and it's probably not gonna stop until like nighttime. But yeah, this is what I'm dealing with every day. So like, please like cope with me, guys. Like, I gotta fucking, dude, I'm still gonna make some videos in the rain, fuck it. But dude, it's raining every fucking day. It's crazy. But yeah, leave some ideas in the comment section. I don't know if you guys want to see me like go to like car events, do more POVs like this, which is like, this is like my kind of style. Like, I like doing this and it's fun for me, and it's just easier to make. I don't gotta like edit too much, which is, you know, better for both of us, you know. Honestly, going simple is a lot better than sometimes just doing too much. Like, I've seen a lot of people like have some really nice videos, like the edits are mad nice and all, but you know, sometimes being simple is better. Sometimes simple is better. And there's some people that just like this type of style. And yo, I appreciate you guys, man. Like, yo, we're already at almost 1.2 thousand subscribers. Your boy is already monetized. Dude, I want to thank you guys. I want to thank everybody that subscribed, like, comment, and everything. Like, it means the world to me, bro. The fact that we're doing this shit, the fact that like you guys are helping me out right now, achieve my dream of being a YouTuber. Like, you know, as a kid, everybody I guess wanted to be a YouTuber or some shit, but like, you know, we're kind of doing it, you know. This is like the first baby steps for real. Like, you know, I gotta keep being more consistent and post for you guys. And trust me, I'm not gonna stop making YouTube videos. Sometimes it's just hard for us because we really have to think about, okay, what am I gonna post? And I don't want to be repetitive and post like kind of like the same stuff, especially because it gets repetitive for you guys. And I mean, if you guys enjoy the video, you know, if you guys enjoy it, fuck it, you know, I'll make it. But like, I don't want to be, I'm the type of guy like, I want to make a new video every time, but at the same time I don't want to make it like repetitive, so it's like the same shit every video. That's why sometimes I contemplate and be like, okay, damn, what should I do now? Like, should I really make a new, like, what should I do now? Like, and I'm over there thinking, and sometimes you can't even think about something new to fucking, sometimes you can't even think about a new video to do, to be honest, bro, because it's just like that. I just don't want to like keep like being repetitive and, you know, kind of like just posting like the same stuff or whatnot. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video though. Fuck, this shit's raining like hell, dog. Look at this shit. Guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna be posting more, don't even worry. Hopefully this fucking rain stops. Peace.